I am Dr. DEIVASIGAMANI, working as an Associate Professor in CS Marine Biology Department, Faculty of Marine Sciences, Annamalai University, PARANGIPETTAI. Lower vertebrate animal for especially finfishes and invertebrate animal shellfishes. We are focusing on disease diagnostic and immunological biomarkers and sustainable health management in biomedical science and aquaculture especially. So this interactive workshop is designed for researchers, students and professionals working in fish health, aquaculture, biotechnology, fisheries and biomedical research. The objective of the workshop is to introduce foundational and advanced concept in immunology and immunotechnology, to explore immune mechanism in finfishes under stress and disease conditions, to demonstrate the techniques like histopathology, ELISA and immunofluorescence and flow cytometry and PCR like that. To discuss application of fish immunology in aquaculture, health management and vaccine development and non-medical bioresearch. They namely known as innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Not only that, you have the major immune organs in fishes. You know, major immune organ in fishes and mammals, it is structurally it's different, but functionally it will be similar. That's why you can have the funded by ICMR. ICMR is one of the leading funding agency in India, Government of India. They have supported and signaling pathways and immunopathology of infection diseases. You know the immunopathological aspect for especially infectious diseases like that bacteria, virus and parasitical pathogens and host pathogen interactions. That also we are going to have covered this workshop. And immunological tools and techniques. What are the immunological tools? The basic immunological tools we are going to see the ELISA. What is the ELISA? Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay and PCR and immunofluorescence techniques and sampling and biomarkers identifications. These are the key topics will be covered our workshop programs. So vaccines and immunostimulations in especially in aquacultures for the model fishes, for you can see the training program. And what is the models we are going to use to fish immune organ dissection? That is an important basic practicals workshop. You can identify the immune organs in a species. Then sample collect directly, you can visit the field and collect the sample, and after that you are going to identify the what is the condition of the sample. So that also you can have in the hands-on training program. Antibody staining and detection techniques. You are going to use the antibody testings and detection techniques using the ELISA and UV spectrophotometry and PCRs. Not only that, and also RNA extractions and the immune gene expression analysis also we are going to have this training program. What is the target audience? So those who are studying MSc final year and PhD research scholars and students in PG students in zoology, marine biology, fishery students, especially for aquaculture, biotechnology, maybe the non-medical researchers, they are eligible for applying this workshop. And researchers from college, various college in India and the universities and ICR institutions also, it is a target audience. And aquaculture professionals for especially academicians, faculty members, they are working in different colleges and universities, and farm technicians also for eligible. And the expected of the outcomes, you know, it is a key expectations are expected outcome of the workshop program. Enhance capacity in fish health management or monitoring, fish health monitoring and diagnostics. That is one of the important outcome of our training program. Not only that, there is increased awareness of immunoprophylaxis in aquaculture. You should identify the diseases before awareness program. That is most important. So, for the seasonal wise, what type of diseases will be occurs in, and collaborative network among the researcher in fish immunology and immunotechnology, for especially biotechnology. And so recently we are conducting DSC sponsored FD program, that is faculty development program, and ICMR funded program. We are thankful to once again the ICMR funding agency for supporting me lot workshop on immunology and immunotechnology for January month, and Indian Council of Social Science and Research, that is the ICMR, also supported skill development workshop in histology techniques and importance in November month 2023. So these are the availability facilities of our lab, for especially our department and especially for my lab. So these are the instrument we have in good conditions for ELISA reader and basic instrument of the immunoelectrophoresis and gel document, everything is there for immunology things. So your program funded by ICMR. So that is a title of the program, Biomedical Research and Sustainable Innovations. So you can use this program, and then second week of the July, we are going to conduct the another program for in vivo, in vitro experiment model for advanced preclinical research. That also we are going to conduct the program. Please can utilize this opportunity. So you can have this registrations, everything in our website. You go and visit the website, you can get the admissions. So these are the things for our lab. You can utilize this opportunity. So thank you once again for this opportunity. I once again thanks to funding agency of ICMR, and thank to Professor Saktivel sir for giving so many support and encouragement of this program. And once again I thanks to our organizing team members and our Department of Marine Biology and Dean Director of our department for this support. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much for this opportunity.